everybody, it's Bouncing Fig here. Today we're heading down to Kuala Lumpur and we are going to check out Nasi Kandar Kudu, which has been around since 1969.
Oh, kedai dekat 50 tahun ke atas. Kedai ni arwah father-in-law saya dia buka tahun 60-an kat sini dia sudah start. After that kakak ipar saya jaga. Spices kita mix. Actually secret tak ada secret. Semua boleh dapat kat market saja kita mixing. Cara kita mix saja. Itu yang buat dia special.
Let's try it out. Oh, again, another unique combination of sauces. Nasi Kandar Kudu is a little bit on the spicy side, but it's also a little bit light. And this is fish roe. I like to call it the Malaysian caviar. Not bad. I saw him dip it into the curry sauce. Very, very well done. One of the most common vegetable you'll find in Nasi Kandar is the is the bende. Ladies' fingers, nice and crunchy. They know how to select it, not slimy at all. Alright, we're gonna try the bawang ayam, which is their signature chicken. It's enormous, so be prepared. The chicken is so juicy, flavorful. You will smell the aroma of onion, so bawang is onion. But with bits of onion, goes super well with your rice. Something a little bit different, not for everybody. This is cow spleen. It's one of my favorites. I've eaten it since I was a kid in lots of Malay rice dishes, and it's a mixture of liver and lung. If you don't eat spleen, then I guess you don't eat either. But it's delightful for me. Let's just give it a shot. Creamy. The spices are really well balanced and mixed inside the spleen, and I couldn't resist. I needed an egg, and this is a little cute egg omelette, which is very common with Nasi Kandar. So I was told their signature drink, I love my Teo Ice, which is iced tea, is actually their sirap bandung ice cream soda or soda. So sirap bandung is a combination of rose syrup with a little bit of milk, which is usually evaporated milk. Well, let's try it. That's super refreshing. After mouthfuls of spicy and dishes, you've got to try their signature sirap bandung and soda. It's really yum.